ano, para ka nakawala sa Manila actually. Come here. Oh, panis. Hello, we made it to Amadeo. Dito na kami sa accommodation. And it looks promising. Sobrang tahimik ng lugar. This is the place. The place to be. Ding, 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 ding. And that's going to be our cottage. Our bamboo hut for the night, for the weekend. Ang cute dito. The dogs are happy. Check natin yung ano yung nasa loob. Ooh. Cute. Hi guys, this is the place that we'll be staying. Sobrang lapit naman. This is the place that we'll be staying for the weekend. Actually, we're looking for a place where we can bring our pets kasi lagi na lang tayong hindi makaalis kasi walang nagbabantay ng aso or pusa natin. But this is a pet-friendly accommodation. And ito yung place namin. Sobrang ganda. Ang cute. It's all made of windows and yung feels mo para kang wala sa para kang nakawala sa Manila actually. And if you are wondering where are the dogs, this is going to be their place. This is where we'll be having fun. Andito actually namin tinago yung mga namin, yung mga kalat namin. So this is the place. Sobrang saya, sobrang ganda. Maybe you're planning to visit and hopefully you can kasi it's very nice. And sobrang bonus, all the rooms here meron siyang sariling jacuzzi. I'm excited I'll be able to relax kasi nakakapagod magpulot lagi ng tae, hindi naman ako napupulot but lagi ng take care ng ating dogs. It's good naman to unwind but hindi tayo mag-alala kung ano nangyari sa kanila kasi this time we are going to share the experience with them. Nice, diba? So if you are visiting any pet-friendly places or any accommodation, just make sure to be considerate as well for the owners, for the operators. So bago sila namin papasukin, of course, naglakad sila kanina dito kasi here, you will feel that you are one with nature kasi pag baba mo dyan, merong grass kung saan sila maglalakad. And as responsible pet owners, punasan muna natin yung mga paa nila bago sila pumasok dun sa loob kasi we will be sharing the place. No? Agree? Shoyo, agree? Woof! Oo. Sige, ikaw din. Ito, gustong-gusto niyang nagpapapunas. Kasi maputi daw siya. Kailangan malinis. Kita lang. Oh, kakasabi ko lang gustong-gusto mo magpapunas tapos lumalayo ka. Come here. Harap ka doon, oh. Say hi to your viewers. Ang linis ng paa ni Saki. Ba't ganun? Ayan, they're checking for their place. Itong mga aso namin, they are all potty trained. So, sanay sila dyan sa CR. But look at that. Nakakatawa. Shoyo! Mamaya, pabuksan natin. Cute! Meron palang garden dito sa likod. Saya naman itong place na to. Nanonood ng TV ang kulit. Anong panonoorin mo? Here, gusto. May mga nagutom. Now, since this is a pet-friendly content, kakain tayo lahat or pupuntahan natin lahat. Pet-friendly, of course. Siyempre, hindi natin sila iiwan. So, we are just minutes away from Tagaytay. Nag-drive kami from Amadeo to Tagaytay. So, we are currently in Tagaytay. And kain tayo dito sa Charitos with our dogs.
Outside.
Hello. Uy, no. You can go up. May orders na kayo? Order na. Umorder ka na. Ano mo? Yung mukha. Kawawa naman. Natatakam. Ayan. You can. Papahinga. Ang galing din sila nangunguha ng food. Surprise ako kasi most of the time pag kumakain kami, nakadikit sila. Like, nangihingi ng food. And ngayon, tinabi namin sila sa table. Every time that you pat their paws or their feet para hindi sila umakyat sa table, sumusunod. And kahit andyan yung food sa harap nila, hindi nangungulit na kumain. Showbiz. Mga showbiz na aso. I know. Soyo. Soyo.
Inamoy nyo lang.
No. Wait lang, may share ako. Sabi ni Jean, good job daw sa dogs namin kasi hindi nag-poop, hindi natatae. Pero yung problema niya, siya yung natatae. Ano, okay ka lang?
Malapit.
Wala pang resto na ano na, yung pet friendly, tapos may menu din for dogs. Saan?
Parang Westin something.
Na, pero konti lang. I mean, meron, pero
Yung katabi mo sila.
yeah. That's nice. Meron yan dito? Saan sabi mo?
Manila. Nakita ko na yun sa TikTok.
Yeah.
TikTok or Facebook.
No, maganda sana kung may ganun. Parang cute yun na sabay kayo nagda-dine. Kaya alam mo na safe yung food. Di ba pakain mo for your dogs. Breakfast is served. Kaya may maingay. Ano yan? Is that yours? And for breakfast. Yan, lumabas na yung araw. Sige, magpa-araw ka. Magpa-araw ka. Tumay ulit. Good boy. Good boy. Hello, where are you going? Zoomies! Zoomies time! Eve, say goodbye! You won't expect kasi paglabas mo, nasa loob actually siya ng subdivision. This one is also an accommodation. It They have 3 casitas pero makakatabi daw. It's private still but not as exclusive as dun sa kung saan kami nagstay. And they have a roof deck. Hindi ko na na-check. But let's go get some coffee. So just outside the accommodation, merong breads and coffee. This is just 5 minutes away from the place actually. Nakita na namin ito kahapon, so want to check out. Kasi nga, first time ko nalaman that Amadeo is the coffee capital of the Philippines. So most likely they have locally brewed coffee here. Tara na, let's go. Ayaw nyo? Pwede daw kayo sa loob. We asked already, pwede kayo sa loob. Huh? Maritas yung itsura. Pwede kayo sa loob. Tara! Let's go! Ako, anong locally brewed na ako?
Tinroot po. Arabica po.
Pero dito yan sa...
Yes.
Oh man, we got a problem. Nothing remains. Everything fades. Old friend.
Guys, sa sarap ng breads na dito. Malamang kasi breads and coffee. Yan pa kasi nasabi nyo, ginugutom namin yung mga aso. Hindi, busog na yan. Pero this one is, pwede naman siya sa dog. So let's feed this cutie. Small amount. Kain agad. Speaking of kain, shout out to Dwin for always watching. Thank you, Dwin. Halika, kape tayo. Sali tayo sa next vlog. Abangan kita pag uwi mo sa Pinas, ha? Feeling. May sugar pa pala ako.
There are things must wait.
Ayan, buhay na tayo kasi nakapagkape na. And we are moving to our next destination. Pero gusto ko lang palang i-share. Gagawin ko sana kanina, kaso nga lang may music sa taas, so baka ma-copyright tayo. I just want to share for some of the pet owners, especially kung bago ka pa lang na may pets. It's best to expose your pets sa mga iba-ibang klaseng exposure, like iba-ibang exposure, like dalhin mo sa restaurant, dalhin mo sa park, dalhin mo sa cafe, kasi from there nabibuild din yung nabibuild din yung characters nila. Doon sila bumabait, doon sila nagiging suwail, doon lumalabas yung mga other behaviors na hindi mo in-expect, which you can correct by correcting it. Feeling. So ayun na, tapos na pupunta tayo next sa naman daw, retail therapy naman daw. Bibili kami tsinelas kasi nginat-ngat nila lahat. So after that, papunta na tong Rated K. Salamat sa tsinelas, Miss Corina. Sana yung upuan mo, interview mo kami. Okay, next location. Ayan, nalilito na sila kung saan kami. Hindi yan yung, lahat na lang. No. Lahat na lang sinecheck nyo. Bawal naman pala mag-video sa loob. Pero maraming pets, pwede naman pets sa loob. As long as naka-diapers sila. So, just make sure that you bring your diapers kasi may nakita kaming hindi nakapasok. And bumili lang kami ng bagong tsinelas para may bago silang makagat. May bago silang ngat-ngatin. So far, hindi na sila nagangat-ngat ng tsinelas. Kaya, bumili na ng bago. So, that's all for this vlog. Thank you so much for joining us. Next time, may pupuntahan tayo ulit. This is not the first and this is not the last. Kasi yung first actually, hindi lang siya official na vacation, pero I was with Beagle. I was with Gibol. Nanghiram ako ng Beagle and dun nag-umpisa yung thought na mag-cover tayo or pumunta tayo sa mga staycation na pwede yung pets kasi most of the time talaga lahat ng pet owners kawawa, naiiwan sa bahay, hindi makapag-mall. It's nice to know na meron na tayong mga accommodations that are pet friendly, and this is just one of the pet friendly accommodations that we booked through Airbnb. Watch out next week or the next coming days kasi may pupuntahan pa rin tayo, and this time hopefully mas malaki na kasi just in case. Paano pag dalawa, kasi ganyan dalawa lang kayo, mabilis lang yan. Paano pag family na kayo? Don't worry, we got you covered. Wait for the next vlog. Thank you guys for watching. See you around. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and ano pa man yan. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.